What's up guys, I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to design beam of the house. Okay, so in any construction, in any building, we have to design the beam. So in this video I'm going to design a beam, and it carry dead load, live load, and you know earthquake load, everything it support. And entire entire this slab, it can be support anywhere. So let's begin. I will do also, and I will explain also one by one. So let's begin. Hello friends, welcome to my channel engineering. Today we are going to lay reinforcement detail of a beam. For this we have taken the existing beam layout plan. Here the depth of the beam is 17 inch and the width of the beam is 9 inch. The reinforcement details shown in the display. Now let's start. First we draw the body of the beam. For this, vertical construction lines throughout all supports using the Excel command. It's like on a video. After this, draw horizontal line and trim its unnecessary parts and offset this line to a distance equals to the beam depth, which is 17 inch, and again offset 25 inch below and upper to show the continuity of support. Trim unnecessary lines and add continuity sign in support. Now the body of a beam is completely. To add grid line, change current layer to center line and enter Excel command. In command bar, then choose B for the vertical construction line and draw grid line and name the grid as zone. After this, we are going to draw the main reinforcement bar in the beam. For this, change current layer to the bar, draw single line again with rubber layer and offset beam line to 1.5 inch inside, which is equal to the effective cover of the beam. And since the layer of the offset line by using match properties command, and arrange the main bar as shown in the figure. Now provide the required development length and trim out the unnecessary length of the reward. Your development length is taken as 27. Now offset two river line, one which below to draw extra bar its support, and divide the beam line into three parts using divide command, and which number of segment equals to 3. Do a work out like this. I'm clicking on the display. Follow my mouse cursor so that you can do easily. To draw vertical stirrup, make current layer into a stirrups and draw vertical line crossing the main bar perpendicularly and projected outside equal to size of stirrup, which is nearly 0.3 inch. Now erase the vertical line. Make sure number of row is 1. Spacing between two row is 4 inch for supports area and 16 for mid span arrange number of the dragging grid on the display. Like on video, I am doing draw for all beam. Now write the reinforcement description by mentioning number of reinforcement bar, size of reinforcement bar at the top and bottom throughout all the beam its support in mid span with respect to the structural analysis, and report and write the text by using the text command. And click with the mouse cursor and follow my mouse cursor on the display so that you can do easily. Indicate section 118 near support of beam and section 228 mid span of beam. Also name the beam B1 as the beam 1 and copy that and paste there with the title to the drawing section of beam B1 along 112 and 33. Active dimension layer is current layer and show distance between support using dal command. Write description of vertical stirrup with size of and spacing of bar at mid and near support. Set wall 1 is a current layer and draw cross section of the beam through section 11 providing without a beam 9 inch the height of a beam without slab equal to 12 inch and slab thickness 5 inch. Also show continuity sign on both end of slab as like on I am showing on video. To draw stirrup rectangle of size 9 inch into 17 inch and offset through 1.5 inch which is equal to the cover. Now to draw main and additional bar, draw circle using circle command C, then choose TRR 1010 radius in turn ring T in command bar and select to adjust line of a rectangle as to tangent of a circle and provide suitable radius of a circle. Here I equal to 0.3 inches. Now solid head is one's dimension. Now use hatch command to hatch the circle. And position it the correct position. Now to make a smooth band of stirrup at the corner, use fillet command and choose radius option and enter radius equal to the radius of reinforcement circle which is equals to 0.3 inch and fill it in all the upward position and the downward position. To draw hook of stirrups, copy one main reinforcement bar and draw two lines equal to the length of hook and remove unnecessary parts. Rotate and move to the main reinforcement bar at this position and trim extra part. Now give the title of the drawing as beam B1 at support section 11 and write the text as shown in the figure. BEAM beam and SUPPORT support. Now use polyline command to draw arrow and write spacing drop at section 11. Also write the reinforcement description by mention number of reinforcement bar at top and bottom with respect to the structural analysis report. So size of being using the del command. Now copy section 811 and edit details is for a structural analysis report to draw section 822, that is section net mid span, and click here and drag it here. So this is the method, this is the process by which you can design beam of the house by using the AutoCAD. Hopefully I think you like this video. If you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like. Also you don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I will upload the new video. Till then, tata, bye bye, see you in next video guys.